I hope you all are safe at home. Today, we are going to learn maths subject. Come on, let's learn now. Hi kids. Today we are going to learn the chapter 13. Look at this chapter number is 13. Lesson heading is keeping records. Keeping records. This is the lesson heading. In this lesson, now we are going to do some exercises. Okay, practically. We are going to do some exercises with practically. Okay. First one is, let us toss a coin. First we need to toss a coin. Then these 3 steps we need to follow. The first one is toss a coin. Second one, write H if you get heads and T if you get tails. H for heads, T for tails. H, start from for heads. H, just H alone. For tails, just we are going to note it capital T alone. Okay, no need to write that fully. Just in short form, just we are going to write T alone. Okay. Then repeat this 6 times and fill the given table. How many times we are going to do this? 6 times. How many times? 6 times. Now we are going to toss a coin 6 times to get the record. Okay. See? Repeat this 6 times and fill the given table. After repeating this, we are going to fill it in a table. Okay. Are you ready, kids? Shall we do it now? Yes. Before going to that, see, this is a coin. What is this? This is a coin. See here. This face is, it has 2 faces. Okay. One is here, another one is here. Okay. See this one. Head. What is this? Head. This side we say head, you know. Can you able to see? Yes. Head. Head. Another one is tail. This side is tail. T for tail. This one. H for head. Okay. Head. We can able to see 3 lines are standing position now. In standing position, we can able to see the lines head, you know. So this side is head, this one is tail. Okay. Now we are going to toss this coin. Now we are going to toss this coin. Are you ready, kids? You to take a coin in your hand. Just you toss with me. Are you ready? Please kindly follow this with your parents' guidance. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay. Are you ready, kids? Now we are going to toss a coin. Okay, I am going to toss this coin. We are going to do this 6 times. How many times? 6 times. Okay. Are you ready with the coin? Yes. Take a coin and toss this. Okay. Nice. I toss this. I am going to open and show that to you whether we get head or tail. Okay, just open my hand. Yes, head. It is head. Okay, head. So, the first task we get head, no? So, just I write here H for head. Okay. I am going to do this in second task. S. I open that. I am going to open my hand. See here. This time also head. This time also I get head. Okay. So I write here the second time also. Okay, so I write here H. Then third task. Okay, first task head, second task head. Now we are going to do the third touch. Okay. Yes, I'm going to open my hands. Yeah. This time also we get the same head. Okay. So I'm going to write your H for head. Then, now we are moving to the fourth task. Okay, fourth task. S. Let's see. Oh God, this time also head. Okay, so I'm going to write here again H for head. Then fifth task. Fifth task. This time S, we get tail. This time, yes, tail. So T for tail.
Stand for the leader.
Then sixth time. Yes, this time also tail. Okay, I'm going to write here T for tail. T for tail. Okay, final step, count and tail. Final step.
Forward.
Okay kids, now count and tail. How many times did you get heads? How many times did you get heads? How many times? Shall we count it now? Yes. H for head, no. So, now we are going to count H alone. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many H is here? 4. So, how many heads? 4. Okay. Then, chains. See how many times did you get chains? How many times did you get chains? Shall we count it? Yes. 1, 2. So, 2 times. So, I write here 2. That's all. This is keeping records. This is how keeping records. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks for listening. Bye to all.